Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Now let's tap on the privacy here and scroll down to find more security settings. As you can see here, we've got encryption and credentials, and at the very bottom of this list, we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap. Of course, confirm it. And as you can see, your device will immediately remove the certificates. And we've got the evidence because this clear credentials option is not active right now. And basically be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step of removing the credentials. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.